In this tutorial I will show you how you can create stamp effect on leather. We need leather texture and an image or text. I am using this logo downloaded from pixabay.com, the link is in description. Using select tool, drag and drop the logo on leather texture. Press Ctrl T and resize the logo image. As we need the image in black color only and all other areas we will make transparent. To remove an area, there are many methods. I will use color range in this example. Go to select and choose color range. Click on the color which we want to remove. Adjust fuzziness as per your image. Click OK. It will select all the white areas in the image. Press delete to delete these areas. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Right-click on the logo layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Now go to Filter, then Blur and select Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 1 pixel. Again go to Filter. Then Distort. Then Ripple. And set value to -60. And select the size small. Again right-click and select Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl J to make a copy and set fill to 0. Hide this new layer by pressing on I next to it. Now select previous layer and set the value of fill to 0. It will disappear the image but effects will be visible. Double-click on empty space of the layer. It will open Layer Style window. Click on Drop Shadow. Choose color, white. Blend mode, overlay. Opacity, 30%. And check use global light. Set angle, -135 degree. Distance, 20 pixel. Spread, 2%. Size, 60 pixels. Contour, linear and noise, 20%. Now click on Gradient Overlay. Select Blend Mode, multiply. Opacity 20%. Gradient, black, white. Style, linear. Angle, 55 degree. Scale, 100%. Now select Bevel and Emboss. Style, outer bevel. Technique, smooth. Depth, 75%. Direction, up. Size, 10 pixel. Soften, 6 pixel. And check use global light. Angle, -120 degree. Altitude, 30 degree. Gloss contour, linear. Highlight mode, hard mix. Color, white. Opacity, 40%. And shadow mode opacity, 0. Click OK. Now unhide the top layer and select it. Double-click to open Layer Style window. Select Bevel and Emboss. Style outer bevel. Technique smooth. Depth 250%. Direction, down. Size 10 pixels. Soften 5 pixels. And check use global light. Angle, 60 degree. Altitude, 40 degree. Gloss contour. Click on Settings gear. Select Large List. And select Rounded Step. Highlight mode, color dodge. Color, white. Opacity, 30%. Shadow mode, multiply. Color, black and opacity, 60%. Now select Inner Shadow. Blend mode, multiply. Opacity, 60%. And check use global light. Angle, 30 degree. Distance, 8 pixels. Choke, 0. Size, 10 pixels. Contour, half round. Now select Inner Glow. Blend mode, multiply. Opacity, 40. Noise, 0. Gradient, foreground to transparent. Technique, softer. Source, edge. Choke, 0. Size, 25 pixels. Contour, linear. Range, 70% and jitter 20%. Click OK. It's done. You can play around with the settings according to your images. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button. If you are new, then please subscribe the channel. Bye till next video. Keep learning.